How to activate Fidelity Debit Card. Start by opening your web browser and navigating to fidelitydebitcard.com. Once on the website, locate the login form and enter your username and password associated with your Fidelity account. Then click on the login button to proceed. Depending on your security settings, you may need to pass an additional verification step by entering a 6-digit verification code. Follow the prompts to complete this verification. After logging in, you'll be directed to your account dashboard. If not, manually navigate to the Manage Debit Cards section on the website. In the Manage Debit Cards section, locate your Fidelity debit card from the list of cards associated with your account. Once you've found your Fidelity debit card, look for the Activate button next to it. Click on this button to initiate the activation process. In the Activate card form, enter the 3-digit security code found on the back of your Fidelity debit card. This code helps verify your identity and activate the card. After entering the security code, click on the Submit button to proceed with the activation process. Upon successful activation, you'll have the option to set up a personal identification number PIN for your debit card. Enter your desired 4-digit PIN in the Manage PIN form. Once you've entered your new PIN, click on the Submit button to finalize the activation process. You'll receive a confirmation message indicating that your Fidelity debit card has been successfully activated and is now ready to use for transactions. That's how you can activate Fidelity debit card.